She used to meet me on the east side in the city with the sun on set.
Hi, my name is Ivy, and today I'll show you how to do an illusion. Let's get started. First, we'll be starting with stretches. The stretches include both side splits because we'll be doing splits in the middle of an illusion. Rolling your wrist because in illusion you might be putting a lot of pressure on your wrist, and rolling your ankles because you don't want to twist your ankle. Now that you've finished your stretches, it's time for you to do the illusion. The first step is to face forwards like a cartwheel and put your hands down, like this. Now, the second step is to do a needle, which is putting your one leg up into the air, like this. The third step is to practice that until you're very confident. The fourth step is to use your arms to do a quarter turn, like this. The fifth step is to keep practicing it until you're confident. Now, the sixth step is to try to do it 180 degrees. The seventh step is to make sure that your heels always stay up when you're doing it. The seventh step is to make sure that the leg that was up into the air always goes behind the other foot. Now you're ready to have Spot doing a no-handed illusion. This is my Spot, and she'll be helping me do a no-handed illusion. Remember, practice makes perfect, so you can keep practicing. Good luck with your illusion. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.